Good morning, friends. This is our Chapter 6 math test. Please remember to double check and make sure that your name is at the top right now. After I read each question, you can go ahead and pause while you work through your solution and then hit play to continue going. So question number 1 says that Sydney's class collected 368 cans for recycling and Ramon's class collected 291 cans. How many more cans did Sydney's class collect than Ramon's class? Go ahead and pause right now, get your solution, and then go ahead and put your answer right here on the line. Number 2, at the store there are 863 rocks and shells. There are 121 rocks. How many shells are there? So circle the number that makes the sentence true. So if the store has 863 rocks and shells and 121 of them are rocks, how many shells are left? You can use this workspace over here, and then you're going to fill in the math sentence for what's true. There are 643, 732, 742 shells. Number 3, a bird watcher counted 163 whitebirds and 185 blackbirds. How many birds did she count? So they wrote the math sentence for you in our standard algorithm, and then they showed you those numbers like 163 stretched out into expanded form. So then they have 100 plus 60 plus 3, and then they have 185 as 100 plus 80 plus 5. If you solve that math equation, what will you end up with? Select one number from each column. Would you end up with 200s, 300s, 400s, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, or 6 ones, 7 ones, and 8 ones? You're going to have a number selected in each of the hundreds, tens, and ones. Number 4, Lewis wants to add 231 and 248. Let's help Lewis solve this problem. Draw quick pictures. Write how many hundreds, tens, and ones in all, and then write this number. He wants to add 231 and 248. I need to see a quick picture for 231 and for 248. You're going to add those up together and you're going to tell me how many hundreds, tens, and ones that is, and then I want you to write the number in standard form on this line down here. Number 5, Mr. Ramos picks 327 apples. He gives 169 of those apples away. How many apples does Mr. Ramos still have? Draw to find, draw to show how you found your answer. They want you to draw a picture here using quick tens. Draw in this box and your answer goes on this line. Number 6, a store sells 154 DVDs and 88 CDs. How many more DVDs does the store have than CDs? So fill in the bubble next to all the sentences that describe what you would do to solve this problem. So I would probably solve the problem. If this was Mrs. Dusky, I would solve the problem over here. And then I would fill in the circle next to what I did. If I added, I would fill in this circle. If I had to regroup the hundreds, I would fill in this circle. If I chose to subtract, I would fill in this circle. And if I had to subtract 4 ones from 8 ones, I would fill in this circle. Here's number 6 one more time. A store sells 154 DVDs and they sell 88 CDs. I want to know how many more DVDs did the store have than CDs. Number 7, a farmer has 305 sheep. She moves 263 sheep into a field. How many sheep are left? Does this sentence describe how to find the answer? Choose yes or no. So if it were me again, friends, I would solve this problem out to the side. If the farmer started with 305 sheep and moved 263, I would solve, and then I would go back and ask myself, did I have to regroup 100 as 10 tens? Yes, no. Did I have to regroup 110 as 10 ones? Yes, no. Did I subtract 6 tens from 10 tens? Yes, no. And then finally, I want to know that there are this many sheep left. Number 8, Riley used this method to find the sum of 538 plus 254. So it looks like he added or she added 538 plus 254 and came up with 700 plus 80 plus 12 and got the total of 792. Using Riley's method of adding your hundreds up, your tens up, and then your ones, can you solve this problem? 364 plus 217. Using Riley's method. And then I want you to tell me, what did Riley do to solve that math problem? using words. Number 9, there are 497 children at the festival. 288 of those children are girls. How many of the children are boys? Solve your problem, and then you're going to fill in the answer. Is it 785, 219, 109, 209? If your answer is none of these choices, you need to go back and double check your work. Maybe you need to draw a quick picture or choose a different way to solve. Number 10, use the numbers on the tiles to solve the problem. So you have the numbers 3, 5, and 7. You're going to use each one of those numbers in the missing spots. So it looks like you have 299 plus 230 something. 9 plus blank. Let's check our sum. You have a 6 and it looks like you carry a 1. Then you're going to check your tens. Looks like you carried a 10, a 9, and you have a 3. Check and see, oh, I see in my hundreds that I've carried a 10 over to my hundreds. And you have to decide, does 3, 5, or 7, where do they go? And then I want you to tell me using words, how did you solve that problem? When you're done, I want you to make sure that you have everything answered and it goes in the pink hand-in tray. Thank you.